All right, welcome to Work Like a Girl. This is where you're going to hear from people about how to be great at work, not just go to work. Okay, Rebecca.
Hi.
Hi, Rebecca.
So I was hoping to talk to you about staying at a company when we're getting raises, but not raises as much as we should be and not comparable with other sorts of roles in the marketplace. And, you know, having a great rapport with the company and a great personal brand, but also wanting to get paid properly. And just your advice on kind of staying and going and what percentages we should be getting year over year.
Okay. So how long have you been there?
Almost 3 years.
Okay, almost 3 years. And how many raises have you gotten in 3 years?
I've gotten a raise each year and one promotion.
Okay, so that's pretty good. Are you the top of the top, or are you pretty good, or are you just okay? Like, where are you in the, how would you honestly assess yourself with people you work with?
I would say I'm pretty good, but I'm still on the newer side, even though I've been there a while. So, I mean, there are people who are definitely better than me, but that will come in more time for me.
Okay.
So,
okay.
Yeah, I feel strong now.
Okay, good. So here's my 2 cents, and I'm going to be a little bit harsh for a second. I hate when people are like, we should, or the company should, or we think. Like, what that says to me is that you spend a lot of time at work talking to your peers and bitching about what the raise situation is like or not like. Like, that to me sounds like you're spending... Like, Rebecca's day has like a lot of like chit chat around the water cooler. Most of it's negative. Most of it's about what the group feels the company should be doing. Is that fair?
That's fair.
Okay. So that's human nature. So that's not uncommon. That happens in every company on the planet. I think the question for you is, are you the person who's caught up in the sentiment of, you know, everybody at work, and you're just going to spend all your time talking about what the company should do and feeling bitter or feeling dissatisfied or demotivated by, you know, I think the whole idea of this like question of should is a weird one. Do you know what I mean? Because like, who the fuck are you to say what your company should do? And what do you know about where this company is against all its competitors, or what the financials look like, or blah, blah, blah. What I would say, though, is you're in charge of Rebecca, and you're in charge of Rebecca's career. So if Rebecca should be making more money and you don't love your job, or you're not learning so much, or the experience isn't that cool, or the brand is great but not awesome, then like, fuck, go get the same job somewhere else, or better yet, go get a better job somewhere else where you're making more money. I think that you should 100% do that. I used to do that. I was a media buyer in Boston. I was making like, I don't know, 55 grand or something. And the competitive agency had a slightly better job that was making 70 grand. And I was like, ooh, like I have a choice here. I can go complain about why, you know, Arnold Worldwide isn't paying everyone $70,000, or I can just hop right over to Digitas and go work at Digitas and make $70,000 and have a better title. So I think like
Right.
That's how you have to think about it. There's no we in a career, right? There's you. It's your career.
Yeah.
It's not, you know, it's not like you're taking all your coworkers with you for the rest of your life. Like, can you imagine? That'd be like a disaster for everybody. But I think you've got to like, I think you've got to change your mentality of the should. Nobody should do anything for you in your life. The only thing you control is you. And you've got to decide, who are you at work? What do you want from your work? And what is your work worth? And the worth part is tricky, because you're going to have what you think you're worth. And then you have to kind of reconcile that with what the company thinks you're worth. And if you can be you and have a great job and work in a great sector and make more money than you're making now, then like, good God, like go get it.
Yep, totally fair.
All right, Rebecca, you have a great day.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye. Let's go. I'm never going to have a better call than this. Hello.
Oh my gosh, I got
You got back. You cannot be a pushover. Nobody is going to respect you. We got to get going on that. Be comfortable when you're sick, stats creep. You're also stunting your life. I don't know if that was helpful.